Look no further than the 2022 INFINITI QX50. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Relax and enjoy the ride in this elegantly appointed QX50. From its sumptuous interior to its suite of advanced safety and infotainment features, this spacious, peaceful SUV offers a world of premium comfort. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, moonroof, all-wheel drive, power liftgate. Premium luxury meets convenient versatility in this thoughtfully designed QX50. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.